Hey everyone, Peter Drew here, and welcome to the Twitter Citation and Link Monster software video tutorial. So here is the software here. After you've installed the software, you'll notice that these extra folders have been created under My Documents and the folder Twitter Citation Link Monster. What's important is this is where all your PDFs are stored. So if you want to upload them to Google Drive, this is where you navigate to My Documents, Twitter Citation Link Monster, PDF. Why that's important, so if you see this PDF here, this is from a previous project. We can upload this PDF to drive.google.com, set that PDF document to public, and then get the link from that PDF and put it in the next Twitter. Okay, let's just do it. So here I am at drive.google.com. I go to New, File, Upload, My Documents, scroll down to Twitter Citation Link Monster, PDFs, and that PDF was B7W8. There you go, and it's uploading right now. So it's uploaded. I click on that tab, go over here to Share, Advanced, change it from private to public. All done. Now that presents a link which you copy to a text file and click on Done. Now that means you've got the link to this PDF stored on Google, which has got links back to your previous projects. So you can put the link, which I'll show you in a sec, in the Twitter software to this PDF document, which gives links to this document, which gives you tiered links back to all of this, which is like doubling the power of this software in one easy step. So as you see, that's what the PDF results look like. It gives you the links to the tweets and to the Twitter moments. So we're back on this page. To add Twitter accounts is really simple. You add the username here, password here, a phone number if the Twitter account has got a phone number associated with it, and the recovery email. And if Twitter asks for any of this information at any point, the software will supply it. And you can add as many as you like in this left-hand column. Once you've added your accounts, you can just double click on them, or you can right click and delete the account from this column. So you can click over here as many accounts in relation to the software that you've purchased. Light software, you can bump over 2 accounts. Agency software, 20 accounts into this column. And the one-time payment software, 50 accounts. And also, if you need more, you can just purchase additional licenses and run an additional software on another IP or another computer. All very straightforward and very simple. So once you've selected your accounts, click Next. And here we have 2 tabs. You have the GMB Citations tab and the Tweet Content tab. Under GMB Citations, you put the exact content that's on the GMB. The same title, the same GMB name, GMB address, GMB phone number, and the main site URL, which generally we use the short URL supplied by Google, and I'll show you a tip about that in a sec. Plus you navigate to a folder that stores all your GMB images for this project. Typically I like between 8 and 10. Each time the software creates a Twitter moment, it randomly chooses one of those images to use in the Twitter moment. The deep linking is awesome. What that allows you to do, when it creates the first tweet and moment from the first account, it stores that information. When you create the second Twitter moment and tweet from the second account, it links back to the first ones by putting a link back to the original tweet and original moment created by the first account. Now here's another pro tip. Grab that short URL to your GMB, put it in a browser, and then go to Share, and you'll see you get a different short URL. So that's an additional link. So you copy that, go back to the software and paste it in there. You'll see that's a different link, and you get an additional short link back to your GMB on Twitter. Thank you very much. So under the tweet content tab, here is where you can do any linking that you like. Typically I like to put a YouTube link at the top, and that gives me a nice thumbnail, which makes the tweet present nicely. I've got Google Maps links here, Google Sites, and a tweet was ranking really well, so I put that tweet link in there to give it a bit more link juice to establish that ranking. This window is limited to 280 characters. To find that out, highlight all of that and dump it into this free software called Notetab Lite 7.1. This is an amazing free text document software. See how I highlight that, and down the bottom down there you'll see exactly how many characters are highlighted. 263, so that fits within the 280 characters set by Twitter. Just Google that and you can download that and use it for free. It's great. As you can see, it's got tabs along the top, which makes working on projects really easy. Notetab Lite 7.1. Same as before, navigate to the same folder with your images and click on Next. That's it. Click on Start, the browser window will appear, and I'll speed it up so you can see what's happening. Okay, and as you can see, the software is finished and it's popped up the PDF with the links created from the two Twitter accounts used. One tweet and one Twitter moment per Twitter account. So click on the first one and you'll see the first tweet. And there you go, there's the first tweet. The Twitter moment. The next tweet, which goes to the moment, and you can see they're all linked together nicely. So I've just gone to the Twitter account that posted, the first Twitter account that posted all that content. These are the tweets that were created, and you can see they're all threaded together very nicely. Thank you very much. There's the content that was put in the software. Click on the thread and you can see it's all linked together very nicely. So getting back to what sort of links we can use in this software, you can see I've got YouTube, I've got a previous Twitter tweet URL that was ranking well, so I put that in there just to establish its position in Google. We've got YouTube video links, Google Map links, Google Site links. I like to use Google properties, and then of course drive.google.com. All of our softwares, Hang It Millionaire, the Blogger software, the different Google site builders, all give you PDF documents which you can upload to drive.google.com and put those links in the Twitter software to get incredibly powerful links back to your PDF stored on drive.google.com, which gives them a bucket load of more power, I can guarantee you. Links from twitter.com is one of the one of the big secrets that SEOs don't tell you about, and I can guarantee you they're extremely powerful, as you will soon find out yourself. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.